Falling. Helping the citizen up using a lift. You find the citizen lying on the floor. To not help the citizen by pulling her up by her arms. She has slide from the wheelchair. You find a pillow to provide comfort to the citizen. It is not easy to find a good working position when working on the floor. Try to kneel down instead of working bending forward. Place the sling by using the set method. Help the citizen to lie on her back and adjust the sling. Remember to cross the straps. Spread the legs of the lift so you do not run over the citizen's fingers or the straps of the sling. Use the pillow to protect citizen's head as you position the lift as close to citizen's head as possible. Lower the lift hand as lower as possible. It makes it easier to place the straps. Support citizen's head when you start lifting. You have adjusted the wheelchair before you start lifting. This is done by raising the back wrist in an upright position until the wheelchair. Help the citizen to a good sitting position by supporting her knees. If she has painful knees, you can support her hips or the leg stapes of the sling instead. It is important to place the citizen in a good sitting position since she is unable to adjust herself. Remember to remove the sling again.